Meta just dropped their first superintelligence model, and it's already beating Gemini and GPT on health benchmarks. Google made it dead simple to run AI on your phone with zero internet. Netflix dropped a video object eraser that rebuilds whatever was behind it. There's a virtual try-on model that animates your outfit, a tool that inserts real people into existing footage, and an AI avatar you genuinely can't tell is fake. Plus 2 tools that turn any video into a 4D world you can walk through. And this week's robots? One is scarily pretty. The other has 206 bones and runs on artificial muscles. You're watching WhatsNextAI. Google just made it dead simple to run Gemma 4 directly on your phone. No cloud, no data leaving your device. The AI Edge Gallery app lets you download models once, and they run fully offline. Analyze images, transcribe audio, rewrite and summarize text, all on device. The E2B model is the recommended one for phones, and honestly, the performance is shockingly good for something running locally. You'll need a few gigs of storage per model, but after that, it's yours. No Wi-Fi needed, no subscription, no privacy concerns. It's available on Android and iPhone right now. If you've ever wanted proper AI in your pocket that actually works on a plane, this is it. Netflix just open-sourced a video object removal tool, and it's called Void. Point it at any footage, tell it what to remove, and it doesn't just cut it out and leave a hole. It actually reasons about what should physically be there and in-paints it. So if there's a person, a logo, or an unwanted object in your shot, Void figures out the background behind it and rebuilds it realistically. The clever part is it uses vision language reasoning, so it understands context, not just pixels. This is the kind of tool video editors have been waiting years for. Void is open source and available on GitHub now. One shot lets you freely compose scene, identity, motion, and camera into completely new videos, all independently. Swap the scene, and the same person appears somewhere else entirely. Change the identity, and the same motion plays out on a different person in the same setting. Edit the motion, and they're doing something completely different. Control the camera, and the whole shot reframes around them. Everything stays consistent across long sequences, lighting and movement included. The implications for content creators and filmmakers are massive. GitHub drops soon, worth keeping on your radar. Fashion meets AI, and the results are honestly wild. Vanast is a virtual try-on model from Seoul National University, and it goes way beyond just slapping a shirt on a photo. Give it a person, a garment, and a pose video, and it generates a fully animated try-on that moves with the person. Top, bottom, dress, even hats. And it preserves your identity throughout. It also handles multiple garments at once and can even blend between 2 outfits. All zero shot, no extra training needed. The shopping and content creation applications are huge. GitHub is dropping soon, worth bookmarking. Most image AI tools do one thing well. FlowInOne does everything in a single model: text to image, layout editing, doodle to image, text in image editing, even physics-aware tasks like predicting how objects move and interact. The idea is to treat every input as a visual prompt instead of text instructions. So you draw a rough doodle, it generates the image. You mark a bounding box, it fills it in. You describe a force direction on an object, it predicts what happens. If you've been looking for one image model that covers everything, this might be it. It leads most competitors in human evaluations, though results vary by task. Code and model are available now on GitHub. NUMINA fixes a problem every AI video tool has and nobody talks about. AI video models just can't count. This training-free framework plugs into existing video models and makes them actually count. Take removal first. You say 2 kids with a dog and a cat. Baseline gets it wrong. NUMINA nails it every time. Then addition. 4 children making a snowman. Again, baseline fails. NUMINA delivers exactly what you asked for. And it beats VO 3.1 and Grok Imagine on-count accuracy with 0 extra training. Code is on GitHub now. Meta just dropped their first model from their new Superintelligence Labs, and it's called Muse Spark. The goal? Personal superintelligence. Sounds bold, but watch what it actually does. It's multimodal, so you can point it at a photo of your coffee machine, and it builds you an interactive tutorial on the spot. Show it a food photo, and it flags what you should and shouldn't eat based on your diet. There's also a new contemplating mode that runs multiple reasoning agents in parallel for harder problems. Where it really stands out is health. On health benchmarks, it scores nearly 3 times higher than Gemini and Opus 4.6. Muse Spark is live now at meta.ai with a private API preview rolling out to select developers. Generative World Renderer extracts the underlying scene data from real game footage and lets you restyle the entire environment with a text prompt. That's real black myth. Wukong footage being transformed in real time. Snowy winter, sandstorm, volcanic ash, underwater, heavy rain. The lighting, depth, and materials all update together, so it actually looks like a different world, not just a filter. It also does full scene relighting. Drag the light source around, and the whole scene reacts. There's a playground on Hugging Face for you to try it yourself, and the code is live on GitHub now. Imagine calling a customer service line and not knowing if you're talking to a human or an AI. LPM 1.0 is a character performance model that turns any photo into a real-time conversational avatar with full emotion, lip sync, and natural listening reactions. It doesn't just move the mouth. It nods, shifts gaze, raises an eyebrow, hesitates. All the micro-expressions that make a conversation feel alive. It works with any character style, too. Photorealistic, anime, 3D game characters, and it stays identity consistent for up to 45 minutes of continuous conversation. This is research only for now, no public release planned, but think customer support agents, game NPCs, virtual influencers, live hosts, and AI tutors, all with a face that actually feels human. InSpatio-World takes any video and turns it into a living world you can freely explore. You can move around the scene, change your viewpoint, and even control time. Pause it, slow it down, rewind it. The physics stay consistent, objects don't glitch out when they leave frame, and it holds up across long exploration sequences without drifting. The use cases are massive: autonomous driving simulations, embodied AI training, or just turning your old videos into a 4D photo album you can actually walk through. Code and demo are live now. Links in the description. This week, robots got pretty. Like, uncomfortably pretty. AheadForm built a robot girl in a Japanese school uniform, and she is scarily convincing. The head tracking, the way she turns and gazes, the subtle eye movement. It's giving anime character come to life, and I'm not sure how to feel about that. And that face. Up close, it's almost impossible to tell she's not real. Honestly wild. AheadForm is clearly going for the uncanny valley, but make it cute angle. And you know what? It's working. This one's going to break the internet. Meanwhile, Clone Robotics also unveiled something genuinely scary good. A 206-bone android body with 164 degrees of freedom, and it's not powered by motors like every other robot. It runs on artificial muscles and tendons, with a hydraulic vascular system running through it like actual blood. Wow. That's the part that gets me. It doesn't just mimic human movement, it mimics human anatomy. The result? Motion that looks and feels disturbingly real. Most humanoids move from joint to joint. This one flows. If you've ever wanted proof that robots are catching up to biology faster than expected, this is it. That's it for this week's AI Roundup. All the links to the tools are below. Drop a comment with the one you're curious about. This is WhatsNextAI. See you in the next one.